the new IE. I tell you once, 3 times. You can say even
Once, 3
I'm rhyming and rhyming, going and going. You already know I shout, stay flowing, coming and coming. I
Can you help me with this?
Guys,
Someone's coming.
Dude,
Get off.
flowing like
Hey, don't step on that.
I get so mad when people won't stop talking.
Someone's coming.
right here, bro. Zoom it in, zoom it in my face, like.
Zoom it in on his dick.
Or throwing up the A in the Frisco.
Hey, but I'm feeling it right now.
Shannon, I'm on one.
I feel like I should.
Are you taking video?
drink more. Then drink more.
Hey,
I have so
We'll
much.
take a picture.
hey, we on one out here.
Are you taking a video?
We out here. We on one.
Are you taking a video?
We
Tell
getting
me.
hype out here. We
Are
get
you
drinking
taking
hell.
a video? Yes or
Yeah,
no?
video.
Alright,
Hey,
look at me.
can
I'm
we
a
sing a
freestyle.
song? Wait,
Yo,
play that song?
just
What
look
is
at me and the camera is pink. I don't know what to rhyme with pink. You already know I Shaq, fuck you dink. I don't know what's your name. You already know, give me a number and you could get the fame. Give me this, give me that. Upstart Records, you already know compilation is better. Fuck all you Lil Wayne or Wiz Khalifa that. You already know I Shaq will work your girl's back. I come rhyming with me and Steve-O. You already know IE does go. Got a pack of Stokes. Marlboro 20, that is 27. Let me correct that biz. Look at that pack. Look at this dro. You already know I Shaq's down the show. Come through bigger than Wiz Khalifa or Burner. Nah, than my niggas, so fuck you and earn ya. And I can rhyme you with whatever. You already know I Shaq is clever. The new IE, I tell you once or twice. You already know in the club getting rice, getting my shit. I Shaq does this. I Shaq, the new IE. Insidious be me. Priceless, all the girls I think. You already know I Shaq will blink. I'm on one. You already know I come with a gun. Come through. This is for Facebook and you. You already know I rhyme. That's what I do. I rhyme whatever. I Shaq is clever. I told you twice, maybe even 3 times. Let me chug this beer. Hold up.
It wasn't my cousin's birthday.
You did it? You snorted it?
You peer pressure.
But you snorted it? How did it feel?
Did you enjoy yourself?
Did it hurt your nose?
Look, now it's empty. Let me burp. And now I'm on one. You already know. I tell you I'm with the gun. My dad got the rusty knife. Knives and guns. I told you 3 times and I'm coming with it. You already know I Shaq stay fitted in some Kirkland socks and some shit shorts that I got from the motherfucking
I don't like tequila. Does that count?
No.
Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Wrap it up.
I don't like it either.
thrift store.